I'm Muhammad Fazi Faik, 2025-69-606.
Hi, I'm Nur Haryana binti Hasni, 2025-805852.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Nuzul Fazain bin Muhammad Khairul Naim, 2025-851-788.
Hi, I'm Norafina binti Ismail, 2025-804-158.
Breaking news. It is the invisible backbone of our economy and the greatest challenge of our environment. Tonight, we go inside the world of polymer. I'm Fadzi, and in this special report, we brought together a panel of experts to decode the manufacturing process and the plastic crisis. Joining us tonight, Ari, a specialist in polymer chemistry, Farzain, a lead polymer plant engineer, and Fenda, a global environment activist. Ari, let's start with you. What exactly is a polymer at its core?
Thank you, Fadzi. As you can see in the image, everything starts with a monomer, a single link in the chain. Through polymerization, we force this link to bond. Think of it as natural Lego. By changing the heat and catalyze, we can create anything from the soft rubber on your shoes to the hard casing of your laptop or phone.
That sounds like a lab experiment. Farzain, how do we turn those tiny chains into millions of products?
It's all about high-speed engineering, Fuzzy. In my plant, we use injection molding. We take raw pellets, melt them into a polymer lava, and slam them into steel mold at incremental pressure. It is fast, precise, and it is how we manufacture the modern world.
But there is a cost to this efficiency. Fenda, you've seen the aftermath of this manufacturing boom.
The breaking news here, Fazzi, is that our planet cannot keep up. While frozen machines are efficient, the product they make lasts for centuries.
Final thought from the panel, Ari?
Chemistry is the solution, not just the problem.
Engineering is getting greener every day.
The future depends on the choice we make right now.
From our panel, Ari, Farzain, and Fenda. I'm Fadzi. This has been a special report, the Polymer Code. Thank you.
I just had to let you know you're. She a happy baby, she a happy baby.
Tapi bohong.
The injection molding is the most common method of mass manufacturing of plastic product. The principle is simple. Inject the molten plastic material into a mold cavity, let it cool, and then solidify it into the same shape as the counter of the cavity. The process involves three main parts: the injection machine, the plastic injection mold, and the plastic pellet. Plastic pellet in the hopper are fed into the barrel. Then, the rotation screw transport the pellet forward while the heel bar around the barrel melt them. As the pellet move forward, they gradually melt into molten plastic. Once enough molten plastic is in front of the screw injects it at high pressure into the mold cavity. The mold temperature is controlled and kept much lower than the barrel. so the molten plastic solidified quickly. The clamping plate then moved backward, the mold opened, and the ejector pin pushed out the finished part. After that, the mold closed again and the cycle repeat.
This is the whole set of plastic recycling plants. Waste plastic will be lifted and crushed into pieces first. Then, we use a plastic washing tank to wash these plastic pieces. After washing a plastic piece, will be dry and lifted into the plastic granulator machine. Through electric heating, the plastic granulator can melt plastic and extrude the plastic pulp. And the plastic pulp will be cooled and turned hard through this cooling tank. Then the cutter machine can cut the plastic rod into pellets.
This video will show you how dishes plastic products like boxes and trays can be made by compression molding. I'm gonna show you compression molding of thermoplastic sheet. Firstly, compression molding of thermoplastic sheet like acrylic poropylene and polyvinyl chloride. Thermoplastic sheets are usually stiff boards, so they have to be softened by heat before they can be reshaped by compression molding. The thermoplastic sheet is heated in an oven until it's soft and fluffy. It is then quickly transferred to the mold and clamped in place. Next, the plug is lowered, forcing the softened plastic into the mold. The plastic molding is allowed to cool and harden, and excess material is trimmed off. The molding is ejected from the mold and the molding cycle starts again.